Welcome back, my Cool Show family. I want to give a warm welcome to all my new subscribers who are here since my last video. Welcome to the family. And if you're not part of this Cool Show family, you're watching this video now, hit that subscribe button down below so you can be part of this Cool Show family. So subscribe. Now let's get into our video, which you all are here for, which is a honey glazed ham. This is the perfect Christmas dinner, and all your guests will be like, wow, where'd you make this? Or where'd you get this recipe? Hey, you can say I found it right here on Cool Show. So make sure you make this so they can all be happy and love your Christmas dinner. But anyway, let's get into it. So as you see, we did preheat the oven for 325, and I just took all the packaging off the ham. A very simple start. I do not show me taking off the packaging because I'm sure you are capable of taking off the packaging. You see, now we just wrap it in tin foil. You want to make sure you cover all of the ham, I guess, in the pan in tin foil. So you just take one piece to make sure it's fully covered. The more the fully covered is, the better it will cook. So then, very simple. We put it into the oven like so. And now we just cook it for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Easy, right? So now, when you get about 5 to 10 minutes left, you want to start making your glaze. So as you see, we take 1 cup of honey here, and we just pour it into a bowl like so. And next, we take 1 cup of coconut sugar. This is a healthier. You can use brown sugar if you like, and you see some pineapple juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I know it goes click, but you are going to put cloves in there too. And you're just going to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium high until it's about nice, thick, and shiny. I do not show me cooking the whole thing, but this is what you want it to look like. A nice sizzle to it. If you want to hear that sizzle, make sure you check out the short so you can hear the nice sizzling sound. But anyway, let's keep going. So now you're just going to put your glaze on top of your ham like so. And then you will put the pineapple and cherries on it before you put it in the oven, as you see I did. Then you're going to just do this step 2 more times. Each time putting the glaze on after each time. And then one last time, you will put it back in the oven. And you will cook it for 10 minutes until it's nice golden brown, and make sure you watch it so it doesn't burn. But here it is, your delicious looking ham for that Christmas dinner, or any dinner for that matter. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you next time here on Cool Show. Enjoy and schmwatch nego.